Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2007 Subaru Impreza, little 2-litre automatic hatchback, and a tap in the rear, tidy little front. It's got a few marks here and there on the doors and the passenger side, but clean car. It's only got 80,000 kilometres on it. Really rippling down that door there. Fairly basic standard car. Just pop the bonnet for you. Has got a dent in the bonnet there, right there. It's a bit annoying, anyway, it's there. The EJ20 2-litre engine. Third 2007 there. February 07 there. There's the standard. So it's a nice little 2-litre engine. It's got good headlights, good guards. We're bringing the bonnet. Yeah, right hand door, so quite sellable. Nice cloth trim. Airbags haven't gone off, and it's only got 80,191 kilometres on there. Standard fare throughout, but a tidy little car. Yeah, nothing's got a retractable cargo blind in the back. Fully optioned. There we go there. Alright, there it is, fun little Impreza for dismantling. So if you need any Impreza parts or any other parts for that matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733. The Parts Plus guys will help you out. I'll put this to bed now. So thanks for watching and bye for now.